Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Let's go back to the peaceful community of Bonito Crescent in Mandeville, Manchester, Jamaica. We have for you here in this location a beautiful unfurnished 4 bedroom, 5 bathroom house and land area of 11,455 square feet. One of the many good things about this location is that it is approximately 2 minutes from the Mandeville town center, with easy access to all amenities such as your favorite fast food restaurants, such as KFC and Burger King. This home screams comfort with beautiful built-in kitchen and granite countertops, ceramic tiling throughout, ceiling fans, garden area, fully walled, TV cable, private setting, family oriented, senior oriented, paved road, and much more. The current price of this house is Jamaican 48 million or US $305,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.